Here is that cleverer idea, and it is genuinely gorgeous. Merge sort. How do you sort a million numbers? You do not. You sort to 500,000 times. First, you divide. Split the pile in half, then split each half again and again, until every piece is a single number. And a single number is trivially already sorted. Now comes the magic step. You merge. Take two piles that are each already sorted and zip them together like a closing zipper, always grabbing the smaller card from the front. Zip the singles into pairs, the pairs into fours, the fours into eights. Level by level, order grows out of almost nothing. And how fast is it? There are log n levels of splitting, and each level does n work to merge them back. So merge sort is O of n log n, the gold standard of sorting. Merge sort never sorts a big pile. It only ever merges to small, sorted ones. And that idea, divide, conquer, and combine, we are going to meet again and again.